In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a GIF in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're looking to add a little fun to your messages or just want to express something more visually, GIFs are a fantastic way to do it. Now, let's walk through the entire process to make sure you can do this with ease and confidence. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams. Ensure you're logged in with your account, and you're in the correct team and channel where you want to send your GIF. If you're new to Teams, you can do this by launching the application or opening it through your browser. Once you're in, navigate to the specific channel or chat where you plan to send your GIF. This could be a private chat with a colleague or a larger conversational thread within a team. Once you've settled on the right spot, glance down to the bottom of your screen. You'll see where you usually type out your messages. Just below that text field, there are several icons. These represent different formatting and media options available to you. Look for the small icon that looks like a smiley face. This icon represents the emoji button where you'll find your GIFs. Click on this smiley face, and you'll notice a pop-up window appear. This window provides a plethora of fun, expressive options such as emojis and stickers. What we're focusing on today are GIFs. Right at the top of this window, you should see the tab labeled GIF. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a whole world of GIFs at your disposal, powered by a search engine that lets you explore countless animated options. At this point, you can enter a keyword into the search bar to find the perfect GIF. Perhaps you want something celebratory, amusing, or just plain cute. Type the word that best matches your needs. Sometimes you might see a GIF right away that grabs your attention. Other times, you'll want to scroll through more options. The key is to find one that perfectly captures the mood or message you're aiming to convey. Once you've decided on the ideal GIF, simply click on it. As soon as you do, you'll notice it appear in the Compose Message field. This gives you a chance to see it in action right before you share it with others. If you're satisfied with your choice, it's time to hit that send button, which you'll find just to the right of where the GIF appears. And voila! Your GIF is sent and ready to bring a smile or maybe even a laugh to whoever sees it. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can effortlessly use GIFs to enhance your conversations in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you add a bit more fun to your workday conversations.